Hi everyone, this is Esther Camacho with the McAllen Public Library, and welcome to another genealogy research tip. Tip number 5, organize your research. It's very important that you organize your documents because, believe it or not, very quickly you're going to be overwhelmed on your office space with all the documents that you find. So make sure that you make copies of these primary documents. What I mean by primary is your vital records, your birth, marriage, death certificates. Make sure you make a copy and keep that in a binder or keep it in a safe place, the same as you do with your original. Just make sure that you have those extra copies there for you, and also scan them in. Have a digital copy and have a backup of that digital. Create folders or binders. If you're working with a family, it'd be good to put them in a separate binder just for that specific family. And you can do that with all your family members. That way it's organized, so you could actually just pull a binder and say, hey, I'm going to work on Richard Smith's family today, so let's see where I need to go. So if you have that, then that's all that you're able to focus on. So it's a great way to organize it and to keep yourself focused. Create a database on your computer. Normally, if you use a genealogy program, you will be able to upload your documents. So create a database. Sometimes, and this is what I do, is I usually have a spreadsheet where I actually document, Joe Smith, I found his vital birth record, or I found his death record, so I make a note that I have it. Again, it's very important that you document your research. Use family group sheets or a pedigree sheet. If you don't have a program, a genealogy program, use the paper document. Use those forms to help you with your research. Create a research log. So if you ever visit a library or someone sends you some documents, create a log saying, hey, today my cousin sent me 5 primary sources that belong to this particular family. So make that log. If you're online and you're researching, say, hey, I went to Family Search, or I went to Ancestry, or I found this unique database. Document that you did go to that particular website, found this database, and what you search for. Normally if I'm going through the images one by one, I actually will write down what page I left off if I wanted to continue my research. Don't rely on putting your family tree on a website, because you never know what's going to happen out there on the web. So make sure that you keep a copy for yourself, that you're working it on your computer or your laptop, instead of relying that it's out there on the web. Use a genealogy program. There are a variety. They've got Legacy, you've got Roots Magic, there's a lot of them out there, Family Tree Maker. Go in there and find one and play with it. I always do the free version. It's just a scaled down version that you can download and use. I used one for 2-3 years before I decided to buy the program, because the program had some additional features that I actually wanted to start using. So yes, you can download a free version and use it and find which one works for you. Things to remember: organize your research will make locating documents easier. If you haven't noted where to find, it's like having an index in a book. You can look in the back and you go, oh yes, okay, I can go find what I need. I need to go to page 148. Do the same thing with your research. Whether you have them in folders or binders, you can always say, hey, I have it in a box number 12, or I have it in folder number 21, or I have it in family binder number 15. So make sure that you just keep yourself organized. And again, try a free version of a genealogy program. Find the one that's easier for you, one that you can go back and forth in and that's not too complicated. And if you don't like the one you're with, change it and try something else. So make sure that you go in there and play with them. So again, thanks for watching. This is Esther Camacho with the McAllen Public Library. Don't forget to add a comment below and to like us on Facebook. So see you soon on another genealogy research tip. Bye.